Hello dear student, good morning, good afternoon according to your watching time of this video. Children, I hope you are familiar with me. I myself, Mr. Ch.1, I will teach you Maths of class 5. I hope you are enjoying at home. Now time has come to start your study. So let us start chapter number 1. Safe and special understanding. So now come on. Chapter first. Safe and special understanding. Safe and special understanding. Dear student, I hope you are familiar three-dimensional object and two-dimensional object from the previous classes. You know that we are living in three-dimensional world. Suppose this room, you know well that this room is this classroom is a three-dimensional object, and you know the geometrical name of this classroom is cuboid. You are familiar three-dimensional object like the cube. This is a cylinder. This is a cuboid and cone and cube. And all three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional means those are commonly have length, breadth, depth, or height. Three-dimensional object are a combination of a number of two-dimensional objects. And two-dimensional object also known as plane figures. So two-dimensional means those have only length, breadth, and three-dimensional objects are a combination of two-dimensional object. So I hope you understood what is three-dimensional object and two-dimensional object. Now here I am going to discuss in our chapter one thing is given, perspective. What is perspective? Listen carefully. A perspective is an art of representing three-dimensional object on two-dimensional object, so as or such a way we can impress the height or depth or relative distance of that object. Suppose you know that this geometrical name is a cuboid. Suppose you want to represent this cuboid on a board. You know that the surface of board is two-dimensional and this object is three-dimensional. So how to represent this three-dimensional object on two-dimensional object? Since it is three-dimensional object and your board is two-dimensional object, so how will represent their height? You can represent in board their length and breadth, but how can represent this height, or how can impress the height of this board on this blackboard? So this, how to do these things? But we will use the perspective view to draw a three-dimensional object on two-dimensional object. So first to learn or read the definition of perspective view here given in book. You can know your notes book. So now here given perspective. So I have explained and children in book here given a perspective is an art of representing three-dimensional object on two-dimensional surface so as convey the impression of height with depth or relative distance. So you can write it here, and by watching the video you can prepare your notes. I will send you study material later. You can compare your study material with video, and what is necessary things you can note down in your copy. So, and I hope all of you know understand what is perspective view? I will explain. And children, I think we experience when we look in a distance of any object, that is when we look an object in a distance, you will find out, or you have experienced, the objects looking very small. Actually, the object is not small. When we go away from the objects look decreases their height. Actually, their height remains same, but it looks like decrease their height or in distance. This is because of illusion of eye vision. Our eyes, due to our eyes movement or brightness of light, our mind is confused, and when we look the object in a distance, the objects looking decreases their height. So this is due to illusion of our eye vision. And you experience many objects, such as when we look along the state road or railway track or corridor, then their parallel sides seem to meet a certain point. Children, when we look in along a straight road, then parallel side of straight road looks like meet at a certain point. Actually, they never meet. Parallel side never meet. But due to your illusion of eye vision, the parallel sides seem to meet a certain point. That certain point known as vanishing point. This is second definition of this chapter, vanishing point. And after that, I am going to explain how to draw three-dimensional object on two-dimensional object. So now come on, and this we can write on to by own. And due to perspective view, when we look two-dimensional object, it looking like three-dimensional object. Keep your mind. How to draw a perspective view? In this way, here one thing is given, how to draw perspective view of a cube in your syllabus. So now come on here, I am going to do how to draw a perspective view of a cube. View of a cube. Children, we are given 7 steps. So one by one you can understand or draw. I am going to do only one step. How to do? That is how to draw a cube on two-dimensional surface, or how to do perspective view of a cube. What is the first step? First step, you have to draw a rectangular box. In book here given, place a piece of A4, that is 21 cm by 30 cm approximately. That is, first you take a page 21 by 30 cm and put here, suppose this is a page. This is first step, and after that, children, you have to draw a horizontal line in this page or in this rectangular box. This type page, first to draw a horizontal line like this. And since a cube is a combination of plane figures, What are the 10 figure? They are square. So first draw one face R square here in the corner and be variable. You can give any name. A, B, C, and D. And after that, you take a point on horizontal line. Suppose this is horizontal line. Here you move correct and you write here origin. Origin. And you mention a point that is known as vanishing point and suppose name O. And after that we have to join the front corners to that point with a scale and pencil. So now we have to join this corner and this corner and this corner. And after that, 6 children, you have to draw a parallel line of AB in between these two lines OA and OB. In between OA and OB, you have to draw a line parallel to AB and give a name. Suppose I draw a parallel line from here and you could give a name, suppose EM. And after that, you have to draw a parallel line to BC, or you can draw a vertical line from F on OC, or a parallel line to BC between OB and OC. And suppose this point is G. Now see here, this length, breadth, anyone you can suppose length, another you can suppose breadth, and this one you can suppose height. Since all the edges in a cube are equal, so you can suppose anyone length, breadth or height. So this impresses the remaining dimension. This was 2 dimension and now this object is showing 3 dimensions. So this is the perspective view of a cube. So in this way you can complete it. I hope I understand how to do. So when you understand you can do it again. And after that, now come on here on page number 10. Here some questions are given. First one, draw perspective view of each 3-dimensional object. Here first object is given, you can see your book, and here given the space to draw. So how to do? Now come on here. Draw perspective view of each 3D object. Here first object is given, you can see from, and this box is given, that is the page. And one face of this object is given here in corner, and here drawn a horizontal line, and here mention the point vanishing point. So object is this, that is one face of that three-dimensional object is given here like this. So see here, all the column from this side you have to join with vanishing point with a scale. Keep your mind that don't cut directly by hand only. So take your scalar pencil and join like this, like this, like this, this, and this. And after that, see, we will draw a horizontal line between first two lines like this, and then vertical line between these two lines like this, and then horizontal line like this, and then vertical line like this. So now this is the perspective view of given object, first one. And second one, you have to draw by yourself. And second question is given, take the image which is drawn by using perspective view. So you are seeing here, we are drawing the perspective view of only those three-dimensional object which having corner. So in second object here are given, in this object here not mentioned in corner, so can't draw the perspective view of second object, that is car. So here first one you can take. I hope all understand what perspective, how to draw perspective view, and three dimensions already you are familiar. So I will meet you in the next video, and thanks for watching.